What's up, guys? Welcome to Lawsplaining the Interwebs. I am your host, Nick Rekieta of Rekieta Law, a small law firm in central Minnesota. Today, guys, we've got a different kind of video. A video where I'm going to probably make this into a kind of a regular sort of thing where I find a clip from a daytime court TV drama and and we go through the clip. We'll watch it. I'll comment on it, talk about the legal issues that are occurring, and kind of, rate what's going on, how it would play out in real court with just the information that we're given, of course. Don't have any backstory. And then, we're all going to just have a laugh at the degeneracy of people in these situations, I guess. But should be fun for me. Hopefully it's fun for you. And let's get started. For some reason, this one has a weird delay, but this is from America's Court with Judge Kevin Ross. So, any day now.
Stanley Price is suing his ex-fiancée, Erica Beasley, in the amount of $7,500. He says the defendant pawned his engagement ring without consulting him first. Ms. Beasley claims the ring belonged to her, and she needed to sell it because the plaintiff kicked her out of their home.
Ms. Beasley is wrong. It does not belong to her. Not at all.
I'm troubled by this case. It's not a difficult case in terms of the issue. You want the ring back that you gave your now ex-fiancé.
Yes, Your Honor.
And Ms. Beasley, you're saying that you should be able to keep this ring.
It was a gift, yes.
Right.
No.
All right. Tell me your story, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. Well, actually, 6 years ago, I walked into this downtown lounge in Oklahoma and saw this singer on stage who actually just took my breath away.
6 years ago, that chick was in junior high, you liar.
And I fell in love instantly. We basically courted each other, and about 3 years into the relationship, I proposed to her. Mm-hmm. Bought a very, very expensive ring and proposed to her at her birthday party. Brought all of her friends, her mom, distant friends.
Right.
Had everybody in for the proposal /
And you were
birthday
prepared
party.
to go forward in terms of living a life with her and being married.
Yes.
And you accepted and you felt the
Yes.
same. Okay.
At the time.
And, well, actually, I thought this was the person I wanted to spend my life with until I found out that she was in a relationship, sexual relationship with my son.
Right.
Uh-oh. It was a father-son cucknick. It's not good, buddy. That is not good. It's probably because she's the same age as your son.
Right. Tyler, which was 16 at the time.
Uh-oh.
I found out, and I called it off.
All right. Tyler is a 16-year-old that you started having relationships with.
I think the word you're looking for there, Judge, is relations.
Correct.
You found out she was sleeping with your son Tyler, you called it off.
Right. Soon as I found
As
out.
well he should have.
Yeah, that's a logical choice.
Yeah.
Good job.
And I would think that in and of itself would result in you giving back the ring. I mean, have you no shame? How did you find out about this?
Well, Your Honor, I'm a ghost chaser.
Of course you are. Me too. Real talk. I love Ghost Chasers. And that is not ironic, man. I love those shows. That's the only thing I used to watch on TV before I got rid of TV. Look at this guy. Well, I'm a ghost chaser. The face. Okay.
He's
Sorry.
crazy.
You're a ghost chaser.
Yes. Yes, sir. So
What does that have to do with what was going on here?
Well, actually, I set up cameras in my home. Actually, there was some ghosts in my home I saw on a couple occasions. So I set up cameras.
Hey, look at the judge's face when he looks up at him. Ghosts. You're taking notes. What are you taking notes for?
To actually catch the ghost in my home. So
There's a lot going on here.
yeah.
The ghosts were in his head.
I know, Your Honor, but
All right.
The ghosts were
there's
in your
nothing
head.
really to do in Oklahoma.
Okay.
So I'm,
you're going to
you know.
blame it on the state of Oklahoma. All right. And
Yeah.
so you set up these cameras.
Yes,
This
sir.
was some sort of paranormal
Right. Actually,
thing that
to
you're
catch some
into?
paranormal activity.
And this is your thing. I
Yeah,
take it.
I was just basically, like I said, I saw a couple of ghosts before, and no one believed me, so I set up cameras to go ahead and catch them on tape.
Every man needs a hobby. Every man needs a hobby.
And you didn't catch a ghost.
No, but I caught something else on tape.
And you saw.
That's when I saw
Miss Beasley.
my then fiance and my 16-year-old son on the couch doing what I think would embarrass a porn star if you saw that tape.
I hope he doesn't have that tape. Because, keeping a tape involving the sexual acts of a 16-year-old child would definitely be legally problematic, to say the least. To say the least.
What happened to the ring?
I found out I was pregnant shortly after. Stanley, again, was nowhere to be found when I needed support for my baby.
You've had the baby.
Yes, she's...
That girl has not had a baby. Look at her. That girl hadn't had a baby at all. How old's this baby?
She is 3 months old.
3 months old. Come on. 3-month-old baby. Guys. Let me give you some biology lessons. Childbirth is transformative to a woman's body. And after 3 months, they don't look like this. Something smells fishy.
Old, and
Whose
I'm the
baby?
sole
What's the
caretaker.
baby's name?
Bella.
I'll call
Oh.
it X, Your Honor, because I don't know who baby it is.
Exactly. Some father he is.
And you've now had this child. You told me everything but what happened to the ring.
I needed money for the expenses, mostly
So
for the
you
baby.
sold the ring.
Yes.
So you don't have the ring to
I
give
don't
back.
have the ring.
You pawned it.
I did with it
You have
what I
proof that
wanted
it was
to
worth
because it was a gift. It was
$7,500?
my ring.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Let me see that.
And as you can see here, it stipulates.
Sorry, I just read the caption. Caught defendant having sex on his ghost cam.
It's not a gift. It says engagement ring.
Well, here's the issue.
$7,300.
No, I see. You actually paid $7,325 for it.
Yes, sir.
But the bigger issue here is, who's the father of the child?
What? Why is that the bigger issue? That's not at all the legal issue in this case. Judge, you're in a small claims case for the recovery of $7,325 or a ring worth that much that was given as a conditional gift in consideration for becoming married. So, guys, this is the legal... Here's a legal issue, okay? When you give an engagement ring to someone, it is a conditional gift. It is a conditional gift that will become a permanent gift at the time of the marriage. So until you are actually married, that ring, you don't actually own it. You own what's called a future interest in the ring and a right of possession. You do not own the ring in fee. Fee is a term of ownership that incorporates various rights of ownership. If you own something in fee, you own the right to possession. You own the right to alienability. That's the right to prevent other people from possessing the ring. You own the right to sell, or the right to terminability. There are other rights that can be involved, but in a piece of small property like a ring, that's about it, right? So when you have an engagement ring, you don't own it. The person who gave it to you is giving you the right of possession for a temporary amount of time, and they are giving you a future interest that is conditional upon fulfilling the marriage. So just so you know, that is the typical way that ownership issues occur with engagement rings. But moving on, why would you say that in this case about an engagement ring that the real issue here is who's the father of this baby?
That's why I'm here as well.
We have the paternity results.
Do you?
Judge.
With 99.9% probability, Bella's father is Tyler.
Told you.
Your reaction's odd to me. This is someone that you asked to marry you. She has sex with your son. You now know that your son is the father of this child, which makes you the grandfather.
Why do you think he was
of this
dancing?
baby, and you start dancing like, thank God it's not me.
He got it.
This is still your blood.
Still.
Based on the evidence and the testimony before this
still my
court,
blood.
the gavel will come down in favor of the plaintiff. Because if you think I'm going to allow you to not return that money after what you have put this man through, you are stunningly misinformed.
It has nothing to do with what she put him through, homie. It's the law. Property law is old.
$2,500 is your judgment. Case closed.
All rise.
Judge Ross has ruled in favor of the plaintiff. The defendant is ordered to pay $7,500.
All right, guys. Well, I hope that was enjoyable for you. That was enjoyable for me. Unfortunately, I highly doubt the veracity of this video. I've done a little bit of research, and it appears that America's Court uses actors to create courtroom dramas under the guise of like an educational program on how to act in court. So I don't think this actually occurred. It certainly didn't occur with these people, because I tell you, that female had not given birth just a mere 3 months earlier. And if you need to know why, just check out the Can situation. That is certainly not a nursing mother, or even a mother who chose not to nurse after a 3-month period. It's but this is good entertainment. There's some legal lessons to be learned here about ownership of rings. There's some baffling choices by the judge. Now, the real issue here, Judge, why you're here is the ring. The ring and the proper ownership of the ring is the real issue, and anything beyond that is silly. It's all expository backstory, and it's funny, but irrelevant to who owns the ring. This should have been an open and shut case, but we got a little bit of entertainment out of it. So thank you guys for indulging me on this. I hope this is the type of video that you guys would like to see as well. And hopefully, if we don't have a good live stream topic other than this, it'll be good to throw up some, and I'll try and find some from real cases as well as fake cases. But anything where there is a good legal point to talk about, we'll go ahead and do that. So thank you for joining me today. And until next time, have a good one. Peace.